Hi, welcome to Master Coach Satya's global channel. Do you want to learn the 5 simple steps online funnel? Yes, it's online funnel. How I am building this funnel in 5 simple steps I'm going to explain and share with you. Just stay focused, give full attention to this video, make some notes, and if you are the first time watching my video, click the bell icon, subscribe my channel. Ready? Let's move on. The first thing, people today, everybody are aware that online marketing is rocking and working. But how to start? From where to start? Well, like I'm from direct marketing background person. 20 years, 1999 to 2018, I was completely into door-to-door marketing, built 40 branches in India, South India, and having 600 plus sales team. I was not so keen on coming to online or giving attention to it. But of course, I was watching people like what they were sharing, like how if you're a beginner, you are watching my video, or if you're already to some extent in a different level in online. Well, I was watching like that, what's happening in online space and what's this funnel, all these things. Though I was in coaching, I did not give so much attention to online. Well, so I became so serious to online funnel in 2018. So I was just looking forward, like what should I do? Where do I start? That's when I found some trainers, mentors, and I started following them. And what I did, the first thing is I started observing people. That funnel, the first thing is observe your competitors or observe similar industry what they are doing online. In a funnel, the top of the funnel is first. Just don't go and sell your product or services, ask people to swipe their card. No, it doesn't work in that way unless you are a big brand. When big brand doesn't sell straight away, they build something very important in online space. You know what? They build their awareness. So first, before you building awareness, if you're a beginner, what I insist you to do, just go in your own industry, the toppers, what they are doing in online space. Observe, do some research, and just don't come back there. Give some comments. I want you to type there in their comment sections, like their like buttons, share if it is required, ask question, interact. See, whatever you do, your own audience or your own future customer also will be the similar type of personality. If you are shy and if you are like introvert, if you don't like to show up on online, and if you don't want to do things, people also similar people will be, you'll be encountering the future. Yeah. So first step is go and do some research analysis and give some comments, watch, like ask questions to them. First thing. The second in the funnel, the second step is you start educating your own future customers. Yes. So what I'm doing, like I'm established in Bangalore, South India, in Kannada language, the regional language. In last 14 years of my business coaching career, and I've coached 10,000 plus business owners. I'm an author. I have a pretty strong foothold in my language, mother tongue. But in online, I just want to explore and move forward. So what I am doing, the funnel second step is I'm just coaching and sharing my knowledge, educating in online YouTube to the global market. Yeah, start educating your future prospects, future customers. The second step in the funnel is educate, educate, and educate. If you sell, you will sell once. If you educate 2-3 times, you sell for a longer time. Yeah. All big brands, what they do, they establish the market awareness by educating about the advantages of the product, the features of the products, and the benefits of the product and the services what they are offering. Right? So start educating the market. Check it out the gap in the market. and you start fulfilling it, start educating. That's the second step in the online funnel, right? So the third step in the online funnel is you need to call to action to your future audience. Call for action. How? Take their mobile number, email ID, or invite them to your private group. Could be Facebook group, or to your Telegram, your email system. Okay, ask them to do something, educate, and ask them, call for action. That's the third step. So you're warming up your future market. So in this video, what I'm doing is I'm educating you how online funnel works in 5 steps, as well as I'm asking you, if you want to follow me on my YouTube. This is what I'm giving you from my side. So there should be some call for action. If there is no call for action, people just simply watch and they will not take any action, even in the future also, right? So build your traction by educating. Third thing is, the third step in the funnel is ask them to do a small task, either like forward the video or give comments, enter into your private group, give their mobile number. You need to ask people. Unless you don't ask, don't give call to action, people doesn't move forward, right? That's the third step. And the fourth step in the online funnel is sell small ticket priced any product or service to check the warmness of your market, right? Low hanging fruits, a small priced $1, $2 products, right? Or services. They could be an ebook, or there are so many stuffs you can sell, right? So you will have an idea the conversion ratio, how many people have come into your tribe, your private group, and when you offer, how many people are ready to take the action, move forward. As of now, I don't have to sell anything to you. I'm just building my online space in global market, right? So fourth step in the online funnel is sell something once in a while, a small price, low ticket, low hanging fruit, where the people should simply, yes, they can swipe their card. This is the fourth step. And the fifth, once you have built a handful of happy customer, listen to this carefully. This fifth is, when you have got a handful of happy customer, it's not just customers. When you have a tribe and happy customers tribe, then there you can move on selling your mid ticket or high ticket or profit enhancer products and services. That's the magic, right? So these 5 steps. The fourth is, always keep educating your market, the future prospect, or the even existing customers. You should keep educating. If you found this useful, this video, thank you so much for watching the entire video, staying till the end. Again, if you are a beginner, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe, click the bell icon. Catch you up in the future videos, and I would like your comments personally, what next you want to learn. Thank you so much. Stay safe, grow your profitable business.